Alright, what's up guys? I'm William Morris, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to become good at BMX fast. So if you guys want to increase your skill level and start improving on your tricks faster, what you want to do is you don't want to start off trying to do a hop bar spin or start off trying to 360 when you don't even know how to fakie, when you don't know how to manual, when you don't know how to do anything. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is 5 tricks that you should do if you want to start increasing your skill level, because if you don't learn these tricks first, then you're not going to be able to learn anything else. And if you get these tricks down, then it's going to be so much easier to progress because you're already going to be ready and you know how to do the basics, and it's just going to make your whole life a whole lot easier. Because if you're riding, you don't have anyone around you who rides, and you just start off trying hard tricks, you're not going to get anywhere because you're not going to be able to land them. You're just going to get frustrated at yourself for not being able to land them. Alright, so I'm not going to give full tutorials on each trick because I already made full tutorials. I'll leave them down in the bio if you want to check them out on how to do each tricks. Some of them are really old, so I might have to renew some of them and teach you guys over because I did them when I sucked at bikes. So probably going to renew most of those videos, but I'm going to do a quick overview of each trick and just show you guys which trick you should learn if you're a basic rider. And just if you learn these 5 tricks, it'll make you progress so much faster than if you just go out and try tricks you see in videos. So the first trick you want to learn is obviously, well, not obviously, because I don't know if you know how to ride or not, so I'm just putting it out there. First trick you want to learn is a foot jam. If you don't know what a foot jam is, it's basically you put your foot in the tire, lift up your back end, and then it sets you right up for a fakie. And that's the easiest way to learn a fakie, and that's how I learned fakies. And you're going to want to learn fakies because that's in every single bike trick basically. If you land backwards, you got to know how to fakie. So I'll show you guys a foot jam real quick. Alright, so foot jams are a really good trick to learn because it's like a starter trick, and it starts you off with BMX entirely. That was the first trick I learned, and I was so hyped when I learned it because you gotta learn fakies, and that sets you perfectly up for a fakie. So for foot jams, most people think, I'm gonna try to show you guys, most people think when you do a foot jam, you put your foot straight in, but doing that, your toe can get caught and stuff, so make sure when you do foot jams, you put your foot in sideways like this, and it just helps you to be able to balance yourself better when you're up stationary like this. And when you do it, don't make the mistake of going too fast at it, because when I first learned them, I went super fast at it and I fell straight on my face. So just go at a medium pace, put your foot up, go back, put your foot back on it, and you're going to want to do it with your front foot. I'm a little messed up with my feet when I do foot jams, so I do with my back foot, but you're going to want to learn doing it with your front foot. You put your front foot in your tire, and then you go back, pedal backwards, and do a fake. I'm not going to teach you guys all this because I have videos in the description of how to do all this, so just a quick overview. Second trick is a 180. 180s are good because they basically teach you how to rotate. It teaches you the basic rotations if you want to go on and learn 360s, 540s, nose manual 180s, G-turn 360s. 180s are basically good because it helps you start learning the rotation when you go on to learn the higher tricks like I just said. But basically for 180s, I have a tutorial on how to do this. It'll be in the link obviously, but for 180s, you want to go at a mediocre speed, carve, turn your head, and bunny hop. And it also sets you up for learning fakies. So if you don't really know how to do fakies that much, you can either go with the foot jam route or the 180 route. But honestly, the foot jam route's easier. Start off with the foot jam, learn 180s, and then the third trick is a manual. And manuals are good because it helps you learn balance points. So once you learn to do manuals, you can do hang fives and manual 180s. And once again, it's just another fundamentals. You can connect your lines and stuff. I just made a how to manual video a week ago or something, so I'll link that in the description too. All of these are going to be in the description, but a quick overview for manuals. Ride, faster you go, the easier it is. So ride at a faster pace, lean back, arms locked, and just push up. So when your front end picks up, and just start humping the air to counterbalance. I don't even know how that would work in that sentence, but lean back and start humping the air in order to keep your front tire in the air, and it'll balance you out and it'll even you out. You'll get the feeling as you keep doing it more and more. So that's 3 tricks so far. You got the foot jam, the 180, and the manual. The fourth trick is obviously a simple one, but it's a basic that you have to learn right off the bat, and it's a bunny hop. And basically bunny hops are a super simple trick, but you have to learn them in order to do all the other tricks I just mentioned, except for a manual and foot jam. But you get the point. You got to know how to bunny hop. So when starting off bunny hops, you got to do this: pull up and push out while standing. That gets you to know the motion of how to do a bunny hop. And once you can do that, then you actually should start hopping. But don't just hop on flat ground, because hopping on flat ground is a lot harder than actually hopping over an obstacle. You'll be able to hop a lot higher if you hop over something than if you just hop on flat ground over nothing. And basically for bunny hops, you compress your chest, lean back, pull up the front end, and then do that same motion, this motion, do the same thing. You pull up and back, and then you push it out and up. And that's basically how you do a bunny hop. Scoop your legs up, and yeah, I have a video on how to do that too. Description. The last and final trick you guys are gonna wanna learn in order to progress really fast. I don't have my rail out with me right now because it's like semi-raining, but it's grind. You're gonna wanna learn double pegs or feebles, and I have a tutorial on how to ice, but if you guys wanna see a tutorial on how to feeble or double peg, let me know and I'll make that. But basically, they're really simple. Once you learn the bunny hop, like I just showed you, and you watch the video in the description on how to bunny hop, all you have to do is you approach the ledge. I would say learn grinds on ledges first, because ledges are easier when you're just starting off. So I'd approach the ledge and I'd do a feeble grind, not a double peg, either one, but the feebles are a lot easier, although they look harder, but just trust me, they're a lot easier. So approach the ledge, and what you're gonna wanna do is just bunny hop next to the ledge. Just say this is a ledge right here. You just bunny hop next to the ledge, and that's basically all you do. You aim your pegs onto the ledge, and it's honestly super simple. Just start off on like the smaller stuff, and just until you get actually like really comfortable with it, then I'd say move on to bigger stuff. And don't start off with slide grinds. I'd say start off learning how to just feeble stall and then hop out of it, just to get you comfortable with the positioning and how you have to actually hop onto the ledge to be comfortable with it. And then once you're actually fully comfortable with hopping on a ledge, stalling and hopping off, then I'd say grab some speed, go fast at the ledge, and just feeble it. So those are 5 BMX tricks that are going to make you progress really fast at BMX, because if you don't learn these basic fundamentals, you're not going to be able to learn anything else. So make sure to watch this video as many times as you need, watch the videos in the description as many times as you need, and just learn these basic tricks. And once you do that, you can start watching my tutorials on how to do harder tricks, and you can just start having more fun with it. Obviously, starting off is the funnest part of BMX, but like, obviously, just as long as you're having fun, who cares how good you are? Just learn these basic tricks if you want to get better. And trust me, if you learn these, you can honestly learn all these basic tricks in like probably a month or two. And then once you do that, you're already basically a basic BMX rider. And then you could obviously get to like intermediate really quick after you learn these basics, because you learn the basics, and then right after that, everything just starts clicking, because you learn all these tricks, and while you're learning them, nothing clicks, but as you start learning them, it all just clicks in your head, and all the tricks just become so much easier, like 360s, manuals, maybe even hang fives. Like, it all just clicks because you learn the balance points, you learn how to fakie, you learn rotation, you learn all of it in one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you guys need any more tips or anything. I'll be sure to answer all of them. And subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.